My name is Kevin. I'm with Battle Buddy Mobility Transport. We started Battle Buddy Mobility Transport in January of 2022 as a non-emergency medical transport company here in Battle Creek, Michigan. So I've been a paramedic in the state of Michigan and the local community for the last 12 years. So I've seen over the years that there's an increased need for mobility transport for our aging population and at-risk population. I was awarded a service animal from some things from the military back in October of last year. And she's been my battle buddy. So that's how we came up with the name of Battle Buddy Mobility Transport. So in the military, both Army and Marine Corps primarily, where I came from is the Marine Corps, a battle buddy is somebody that always goes with you, whether it's in a combat situation or just off base. You can trust them, you rely on them for anything, and she's been that for me. So we plan on serving or hope to serve the Battle Creek community by providing reliable mobility services 24/7 for nursing homes, hospitals, and just the general public. I joined the Marine Corps in July of 2001. I signed up as a airport firefighter, went through fire academy. I ended up getting out of the military as a firefighter EMT in June of 2009. After combat deployments and things like that, decided I was going to move back home to be near family. Wanted to become or continue my service as a firefighter. So in order to be a full-time firefighter, you typically have to have either an EMT or a paramedic license. So that's where I moved into the medical field within the fire service. I got my paramedic license and have stayed in Battle Creek ever since. It was a lot of research, just kind of internal searching, making sure that this was something that my family, my wife and I wanted to do, and she was going to be on board with it. So it's been a lot of support. But yeah, the sky's the limit. We're not really sure where this will take us in the future, but we know we have a very good foundation, and the community's been very supportive so far. I've seen the vehicles coming around town and things like that, and through some of my research online, I've seen some Freedom Motors configurations, things like that, and I've seen some of your competitors. The fact that you guys are local, 5 miles down the road, you guys see me the same day, walked me around your warehouse, showed me videos, showed me all of the tricks and tools of your trade, really helped with my research and my decision to go with you guys. The simplicity, they're very simple. They have what we here at Battle Buddy are looking for. We don't want to have the lifts that raise and lower, the heavy mechanics and things like that that are prone to break down and things like that at the absolute worst time. The ramps are very simple for my employees and for myself, whether it's an automatic ramp or a manual ramp. The manual ramps are very easy to raise and lower. And it's just the overall ease and the customer service that we've gotten so far. Based on the makes and models of the vehicles that I was asking for and the colors of the vehicles is kind of why one of my vehicles has an automatic and 2 of them are manual. But I'm very pleased with both of them so far. Each one offers a little bit different feature that the other one does not. So Toyota offers the extra wide. So we've got the 48-inch wide with the full cut. I love that vehicle because it's a comfortable driving vehicle. It's got the extra wide ramp so we can fit some larger patients. We currently have a wheelchair that will accommodate up to 500 pounds. And then we're looking at another wheelchair that will accommodate up to 700 pounds, which is fantastic for the community because it's one of those specialty things that not a whole lot of companies offer. And then the Chrysler, I like that because it's the newer vehicle, the best ride, and that's currently our vehicle that's got all the vinyl and things on it.
Okay,
So yeah, each vehicle, they definitely come with their specific things that I like about them. Being a veteran and also being a first responder, there is always a stigma and there's a push for, in the veteran side or the VA side of, you hear about 22 a day. Nationwide, 22 veterans a day take their lives. Being a first responder also, I've lost just as many friends that were firefighters and paramedics and police officers from suicide as I have from the military. So just bring awareness, and that's what Ruby is for me, is it's awareness. She alerts to me for stressful situations before I even know that they're stressful. It's one of those things that people can hide things for so long, but you can't hide a service dog walking around with you. So I get a lot of veterans and a lot of people that ask me about her, like, hey, what does she do for you? How does she help you? Going into nursing homes and hospitals and things like that has been great for just public outreach. I haven't met one person yet that is like, oh, a dog, why is a dog here? They see the vest, they know what a service animal is, And all the residents at the nursing homes, they absolutely love her. Yeah, we just like to get out and reach as much as the public as possible and offer our services to everybody. For a brand new startup company, I feel having the clientele and potential contracts now, I feel that we're in a very good position for growth in the future. So we do offer 24/7 transportation. We're one of the very few in the region that do offer that. One of the things that I did in the research of the business was reach out to local nursing homes, hospitals, and healthcare facilities, and I said, hey, do you guys currently offer contracts or have contracts? Other businesses that you work with, what do you like, what do you not like, and what would you like to see offered? And then we built our business around what our customers want. If other veterans or anybody needs a ride, we do offer self-pay. There's also veterans and first responder discounts, and then there's what's called the Battle Buddy program. So if you refer a friend and they use our services, then you get a 20% off your next base rate for your transportation. One question we do get is, hey, I see that you're very veteran-oriented, military-oriented. Are you only for the veterans? No, we're not only for the veterans. We started Battle Buddy and named it Battle Buddy because of my military service, but we do offer services to the community as a whole. We get a lot of ambulatory people or people that are able to walk on their own. Sometimes they just may need assistance. They may be by walker, by cane. Some people are a little, may have health problems that just have some transportation needs as well. The state of Michigan only allows ambulance services to operate a stretcher. So since we are a wheelchair company, we provide a positional wheelchair that can do the same thing as a stretcher, but at a much reduced rate. I think Battle Buddy Mobility is one of the only ones in the state of Michigan to offer this. So it's going to be a huge need that people don't know they need it. It's going to be a huge cost saver for our clientele.